What's going on, Living Corporate? It's Tristan of Layfield Resume Consulting, and I've teamed up with Living Corporate to bring you all a weekly career tip. This week, I want to talk about setting your 2020 career goals. With the end of the year comes setting new goals for the following year. Oftentimes, that includes goals for your career. But what I typically hear is, I want XYZ job, but I don't hear the plan to get there. So let's discuss some of the things to consider when setting goals for your career in 2020. I think there are three things you want to set goals around. First, your network. Second, your skills. And third, your marketing documents. So first, your network. Start thinking about who you know that may already be in similar roles or who you may need to know. This can help you find a mentor or better yet, a sponsor. But furthermore, the reason I start there is because according to a survey by Recruiter Nation, nearly 80% of recruiters noted referrals as the best way to find quality hires. Furthermore, according to JobVite, referred applicants are 15 times more likely to be hired than applicants who apply via a job board. So you want to set some goals around your network, who you already have, who you may need to add to it, and figure out how to leverage that to really get to that next step. The second thing is your skills. You want to identify what type of skills are needed for the role that you want. Now, sometimes this means furthering your education, but sometimes you can just go get a certification. So, for example, if you want to go from a data analyst role to a project management role, you might not need to go back to school, but what you want to consider is getting your project management professional certification. Now, in relation to those skills, sometimes that also means finding what I call an intermediate position to gain those additional skills. So, if we keep with that same example of data analyst to project manager, you might also want to consider project coordinator roles, which are a step in the right direction to that project management position that you want. Now, the third thing you want to set goals around is your marketing documents. So ask yourself, does your resume align with what you want to do, or do you need to rewrite it? You also want to audit your LinkedIn profile and ask yourself if it represents you and showcases the skills needed to get the role that you want. When it comes to setting goals for your career, you want to have a process, a step-by-step plan to help you get to where you want to go. This tip was brought to you by Tristan of Layfield Resume Consulting. Check us out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Layfield Resume, or connect with me, Tristan Layfield, on LinkedIn.